to whom should I complain? Did I tell this, who would believe me? Oh, perilous mouths that bear in them the self-same tongue, either of condemnation or reproof, bidding the law make courtesy to their will, hooking both right and wrong to the appetite to follow as it draws. God to my brother, though he hath fallen by promptu of the blood, yet hath he in him such a mind of honour, that had he 20 heads to tender down on 20 bloody blocks, he'd yield them up before his sister should her body stoop to such abhorred pollution. Then Isabella lived chaste. Her brother died. More than our brother is our chastity. I'll tell him yet of Angelo's request and fit his mind to death. For his soul's rest,